Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to deactivate or permanently delete your Instagram account using the Instagram app on your phone. So if you want to take a break from Instagram or remove your account completely, just follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, look at the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines to open the Settings menu. From the Settings, tap on Account Center. Inside the Account Center, scroll down until you find Manage Accounts and tap on it. Now you'll see the accounts connected to your Account Center. Find the Instagram account you want to deactivate or delete, then tap Manage next to that account. After that, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Here, Instagram will ask whether you want to deactivate your account temporarily or delete it permanently. Keep in mind that deactivating your account is temporary, which means your profile and content will be hidden, but you can reactivate it anytime just by logging back in. If you choose Delete, your account will be permanently removed, which means your profile and content will all be deleted and cannot be recovered. You also won't be able to sign up again with the same username in some cases, so make sure you're certain before choosing this option. Now, choose the option you want, then tap Continue. Instagram will now show you a page explaining what will happen to your account. If you also have a Threads account connected, that account may also be deactivated or deleted. You'll also see information about the content currently on your Instagram account. Tap Continue again. Next, enter your Instagram account password to confirm your identity. After that, Instagram may ask why you're deactivating or deleting your account. Just choose the reason that fits best. Finally, Instagram will ask you one more time to confirm your decision. Once you confirm, your account will be either deactivated or permanently deleted depending on the option you selected. And that's it. That's exactly how you can deactivate or delete your Instagram account directly from the app.